this. Look at this. It's super soft. Hi guys, I finally decided to make a weekly vlog. I've been running away from it since I started my channel. I've always thought it's been very stressful. I mean, it's just so easier for me to just sit down and talk about something. I took a walk with my baby. We went to the river. No, we're not inside the river, just sitting by the riverside. Taking a walk is a habit I cultivated since I moved to Germany. Yeah, it helps relieve my stress and anxieties. Well, lately I just haven't been doing that. So today we decided to take a walk to the Rhine River. Rhine River is like 30 minutes away from me. That's if I'm working, but if I take the metro or the bus, it's like roughly about 7 to 8 minutes. Yeah. So it's just so cool, sitting by the riverside, all the quietness, and yeah, you can hear yourself think. So today is Tuesday, and it's going to be a very exciting week for me, as much as a very, very stressful week. My daughter's first birthday, it's next week, and this week we're going to be making her birthday shoot and stuff like that. So I have like loads of activities packed up for this week, which I'm going to be showing you guys in this vlog. Yeah, but right now I'm going to be showing you guys where I am, the Rhine River. I'm going to be showing you guys the Rhine River. It's a very, very beautiful sight. I don't know if there's anyone like me who just likes to take a walk to the river and just sit down by the riverside and admire nature, just get lost in your thoughts. I mean, like basically not doing anything serious, just sitting down by the riverside. I don't know. I can do that for several hours. I don't know if I'm normal. But I'm sure there are people like me that love to do that too. Hey guys, yeah, so it's a lot of stuff going on here. Like here, my daughter is having her first birthday shoot today, so I'm getting things ready for the shoot. I'm doing this DIY balloon decoration, the one you have to like blow up several balloons and then make some kind of garland. Yeah, I watched a couple of videos on YouTube and then I'm trying to replicate. Yeah, I've actually done quite a few and they turned out to look very pretty. Yeah. Hey guys, so I've been unboxing a couple of items that I got from Temu. This is what we have from Temu. Last year, my friend introduced me to Temu. I think that was in November, and the first time I ever shopped from Temu was in November, last Black Friday. And honestly, before that, I never ever heard about Temu. I only knew about AliExpress, and getting to know about Temu, I found out that they have some kind of similarities with AliExpress. And since I got to know about Temu, I have gotten a couple of items, but it's basically things I need in the kitchen. And I'll say they've been really cool, the things I've been getting from Temu. I haven't had any issue of what I ordered versus what I got. I have always gotten exactly what I ordered from Temu. Yeah, probably because I have not tried any other thing aside kitchen equipment. So I would be showing you guys what I got in here. I happen to have a lot of plants that have outgrown their pots, so I decided to buy this nursery pot, and it's really cool. This was basically what I saw on the website. It's like a pot with holes for water drainage, and it has this saucer that carries it. There are about 5 of them. I don't think I need the 5 of them, but I just had to get them because this was basically what I wanted, and I could not buy just 1 or 2 of it, so I just had to get 5 of them. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I like it. Got this bowl and plate storage organizer. So I usually just stack my plates and bowls in the kitchen, and I've had a couple of them that's broken as a result of this. So I'm hoping with this now, it's going to be a different story. This is basically what I saw on the website, and it arrived the same. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Next is a sink hanging bag. This is the hanger. It's more like a sponge holder. It drains the water. You can see these holes, and it has holes under it too for draining water from the sponge hole. Yeah, basically sponge holder. Yeah, and I think it's really cool because this was exactly what I saw on their website. Yeah, and then I got loads and loads of artificial plants. I can't seem to get enough of plants, natural, artificial. These are like some mini artificial plants, and yeah, this one goes into a flower vase. I love this. I already had something like this on my dining table, and I also got it from Temu, and I usually get a lot of are these real, yeah. And yeah, I decided to get another one. This is pink. I love it. This is exactly what I ordered, and I got what I ordered. And I also have this mini artificial plants in this tiny pots that look very beautiful. Yeah, these are really cute. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I love this. Yeah. Hey guys. So we're on our way to the supermarket to get some items for my baby's birthday Thanksgiving in the church tomorrow. Yeah, see you guys. right here. Remind me not to shop on Saturdays. It's raining. So guys, we literally just came out of the supermarket right now and we are heading home now. Hey guys, good morning. How you doing? I had a very stressful weekend. Today's actually Sunday and I'm in the kitchen. I'm trying to make some fish stew and some rice to go with it, of course. And I'm trying to make this, prepare this before I start heading to church. Our church is by 3 p.m. Yeah, in the afternoon. Of course it's in the afternoon, 3 p.m. Guys, I made banana bread, but unfortunately I wasn't able to vlog the preparation part, the part before I put it in the oven. And that was because I had a lot of things going on. So maybe next time I'm going to put you guys through with how I came about my banana bread. So I'm just going to show you guys the finished product. So this is my banana bread and it's so soft, guys. It's super soft. I think this is my best yet. I think I'll just get a glass of my favorite apple juice to go with super moist banana bread. Yeah, this is what I have. This is super good, guys. This is the moistest, if there's anything like that, the moistest banana bread you can ever get. Trust me. I think I'll just end the vlog here. I'm tired already. So guys, thank you so much for watching my super chaotic vlog. You don't even need to tell me. I know it was just all over the place. But guys, I promise to do better next time. Like my next vlog is going to be a bomb. Yeah, thanks so much guys for watching. See you in my next vlog or video. Bye.